What if I told you ChatGPT could become your YouTube coach for free? Not just writing scripts, but creating video ideas for you. Like I always tell my students, ChatGPT is a very powerful tool because a lot of creators like you and I have asked ChatGPT countless questions and he has given us solutions, or we also profile our own solution, like mixing everything together. Then you are asking ChatGPT, how can I go about this? With the ideas and data that ChatGPT has collated from all creators concerning your own niche, is going to give it to you. Just like when you ask ChatGPT, I want to know the top 10 of so app, or I want to know the top 10 of so creator on this niche. ChatGPT is going to bring it to you. Why? Because ChatGPT has the data of all creators that have been asking its question. Do you understand? So ChatGPT is very powerful. They are going to create thumbnail for you. They are going to give you videos idea. They are going to write your script for you. They are going to tell you how to get your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hour. But why are you not utilizing it? You have it, but you don't know how to do it, because some of you will have used ChatGPT in a way, but you don't know how to prompt it that will generate good result for you. That is why in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to use ChatGPT properly to grow your YouTube channel. If this is what you want to be seeing often, I remain Vibe with Deborah, your number one coach. Click on the subscribe button to get notification when my video drops. So now let's go to my YouTube studio. Let me tell you how to use ChatGPT properly to generate 1,000 subscribers for you, 4,000 watch hour in less than 40 days or in less than 30 days if you're just starting. Please, for disclaimer purpose, all what I've told you, if you implement it as I have said, definitely your channel is going to grow. Honestly, you have to be consistent, it's going to grow. But if you don't do that, you miss one or two things, I cannot guarantee you the success of your channel. So now let's go to my YouTube studio. Welcome to my studio. Now let's assume that you're a newbie or you're a starter. You don't know how to use ChatGPT, right? So please listen attentively now. So if you've not downloaded ChatGPT, go to Play Store or Google Store to download ChatGPT. So this is what it looks like here, ChatGPT. Then when you click on this place, when you click on this place, you go to chat here. Then you go to chat, you are going to start this. So listen as I want to tell ChatGPT now. My name is Deborah. I'm a content creator and I'm into the YouTube growth niche. I'm struggling with getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. I want you to help me analyze in details how I can be able to get 1,000 subscribers, how I can be able to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour in the next 30 days. So I want you to help me with topics that I can talk about, things that I can do to achieve that result, and I want to be among the top tier of my YouTube growth niche. I will appreciate it if you break it down for me. So now you have told ChatGPT this is what you want. So let's see what is going to give. You say, Deborah, because I remember from what you have shared. Now, because of what I have shared, ignore that, because I'm starting as a new person. So if you're starting as a new person, it won't give you all this and all that. So it's just giving me, see, losing monetization and everything, blah. Getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour in 30 days is ambitious, but it is possible if at least one or two video perform well. So your content pillar, I would focus only 4 pillars for you. Now, so whatever you say is going to generate this, because I've already have an information. We have been growing, there's a lot of information. Now you just say that it's going to give you something. So now see, getting 1,000 subscribers, getting 4,000 watch hour, YouTube monetization, growing with AI and free YouTube tools concerning what I've said. So now you said the type of video people search for. This is it. Now it's not telling me how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, how to get 4,000 watch hour, why YouTube is not recommending your video. These are what people are searching for. So it's telling, that's why I said in the video, I said ChatGPT has a lot of data, has collected a lot of data from you and I that have been asking questions. I want to grow my YouTube channel, I want to do this stuff. So based on what people are searching for, these are the things there. Your biggest opportunity, very few creators can honestly say, I lost monetization, then I got it again. I did that. Like this thing that I'm saying based on my own information, this when I did this, it gave me views, and even made me to get my monetization back. That's when I was telling you that ChatGPT is like your YouTube coach for free. So it's telling me, on based on what I have said, this is it. So if I say I lost my monetization, and I did that, and truly it worked for me, I got a lot of views from that, a lot of watch hour from that, and what made my video to get monetized back. Do you understand what I'm saying? So the story build authority. Create videos like how I got money remonetized after 5 months. If you check my video, you will see that I said that. So it will give you everything I have learned after losing monetization. So I can talk about everything I have learned after losing monetization. Someone that has lost monetization will be able to relate, and somebody that don't want to lose their channel, want to learn one or two things in case that thing happen. What YouTube actually check before monetization is giving you ideas. So if you do all these things, these are the things that other coaches will teach you. Will come to my class, they will teach you all these things. ChatGPT will teach you for free. Now it's not coming back and say your 30 days content plan. If this is what you want to do, that do one long form video every day, 8 to 15 minutes, do 3 shots every day. It's telling me how to make sure that I get my 1,000 subscriber and my watch hour, and it's giving me examples like one mistakenly your watch hour, don't apply for monetization until you do this. Example of short videos, ideas that can bring subscribers, how to get your first 1,000 subscriber, how to reach 4,000. So it's giving you a whole lot. If you do all these things within that 20 or 30 days, at least 2 or 3 of your videos will definitely peak. Then when you are done with this, you will not tell ChatGPT to help you look for good hook that you can start your video with, good title, everything. Just explain everything to ChatGPT. But what I'm telling you, that with this, your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour is going to come. First, introduce yourself. Tell ChatGPT what your channel is all about. Tell ChatGPT the results you are looking for, what you want. Because you saw when I said my name is Deborah, I'm a content creator, I own a YouTube channel, my niche is YouTube growth niche, and I want to get monetized in less than 30 days. I want to get 1,000 subscribers. I want to be among the top tier. What he now responded that based on what we have discussed, this, but you as a starter, this is what you first tell ChatGPT who you are and what you want, and the result you are looking for is going to break it down to you. Because a lot of us just give results, a lot of us just say something without prompting a good without giving a good prompt. Some of us we just write and say, some of us we can just say, ChatGPT, I want to get 1,000 subscribers. ChatGPT, I want to do a video, I'm confused. ChatGPT will be confused, just give you a random thing. Tell ChatGPT what you want. That's why you are human, and filter it. So if you've learned one or two things, please put it in the comment section. And if you want me to talk about something else, let me know in the comment section. If up to this moment you're here and you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that you get notification when I drop my video. See you in my next video. Bye.